Nick.
Top secret access.
It's just pretty steep going down. Right, we're in here. Pretty remote spot. Could be some big fish, what do you reckon, Nick?
I reckon we've got a good chance today.
Oh. What are you going to put on, a stimmy?
Straight up. I don't care if they're not rising. We're just going to create a hatch.
Right, they'll be looking up for sure. I saw some big grasshoppers yesterday on the lake. We'll hike in. When was the last time we fished together? It would have been almost a year ago? More.
I think it was over a year.
Because it was your birthday. When was your birthday?
Yeah, 10th of January.
Oh, yeah. Yes. So, a year ago.
Time flies.
It sure does. All right. What am I doing? All right. Good to go. A bit of a steep walk into the river, but hopefully it should be pretty untouched here. I don't think, according to Nick, it's fished very much. Hopefully we find some monsters. What's that? No one's coming out here, you reckons? Famous last words. Will we see some fucking fishermen down here in the big pool? Day of fishing without having it bush bash through thick shit. Oh man, that river is looking nice. Beautiful. Oh yeah. Fuck me. Oh man. Woo! Look at that. Beautiful. Yeah, nice. And then bit to the, like into the right, there's a big hole there. You'll see those sticks sticking up out of the water. Yep, nice. You're getting dragged there as well. But you just got a nymph underneath as well. Yeah, nice. Yeah. Test it out. Some pretty big fish actually in that previous pool. So I'm guessing this one's going to have some real decent fish in it. Nothing rising or anything yet, but we'll see. I might chuck on. I've just got a dry on at the moment. I might just work this water first. I could push up there and try and sight fish. Just got a little dun pattern that I've tied up, possum dun. Curious to check it. I'll play it safe and just fish this properly. I don't know if I'm going to be able to see this fly. It's going to be my biggest issue. It's quite difficult. Oh, two big fish just here. Oh, look at the size of him. Yoo! Oh, another one. All right, I need to swap flies. I can't see this. Everywhere. I'm just going to blind cast some of these little holes just in case. Just got a red Humpty on. Yes. Woo! It's a little fella. Oh no. There's a little one. Ah. Put him down river. Whee. Oh, mad drag. I'm slipping everywhere. Yes. Oh, where are the big fellas? Oh, brown and a rainbow. The little ones in these fast runs, we want the big pools. Oh, bugger. Oh, go slow here because they probably... Lucky we've got good sun to... Oh, good fish. It's just holding there. Oh, this is going to be beautiful if I can get this cast right. Alright, let's just get the right position. Can't see me. Yeah. Gonna move over to it. No. Have to put it closer. Oh, it's a nice fish. Oh, come on. Yes, 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 yes. Choo! Oh, ah. Bugger. Oh, there's another little one. I think he's spooked though. Yeah, he's spooked. Ah. They're just sort of sipping them as well. Ah. Good drag. Good drag there now. Let's put one in that pool. Oh, there's a little, oh, that's that same little fish. Spooked before. It's drifting quite nicely. It's going to start to get dragged about there. Oh, that's a huge fish. Oh, come on. That's over the top. Yes, yes. Oh, two of them. Oh, the mad drag. Bugger. Oh, I didn't see them. There's two of them just sitting there. They came over, had a look. Just got to put some powder on this. Oh, it's a big fish. Oh, he's a monster. He's just sitting there. Stay low, I'm right in his view here. Oh, there's two. They're both about the same size, to be honest. I'll go for this one first. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. I don't know if he's seen it. Two. They're huge, two of them. Let's go for this further one then. Come on, get out of there. Yes! Yoo! Yes! Oh, good fish! Oh, bro! Woo-hoo-hoo! Oh my god! Look at the size of him! No, 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 no! Stay up! 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 Oh, dude! Oh no! I'm all sorts of messed up here. I've messed this up. Yes! Oh, what a fish! How you going? Oh, you! Ah, but let me get some forceps. The amount of fit, perfect. Yeah. Woo! Oh, did you pull it? Oh, good. Push. Let's push up. Go for that second one. Oh, bro, that was beautiful. Yeah, nice fish. Mate, I can't believe how many fish there are per like stretch of water. There's like 3 or 4 monsters just in this pool.
Yeah. Are you still there?
Yeah, you'll be there somewhere. Where...
Oh, it's only a little.
Oh, is this a little one?
It's only a little one.
Yeah, I'll push up into... I'll have a cast and then I'll push up into there and look that way, and then you can get up on these rocks and cast.
I don't even know if I want to bother you, so...
All right, then I'll just push up the easier route. Nah. Too close. Whoa. All right. He's just in between the 2 bubble lines. Yep. All right. Sorry of having dramas with the GoPro. It got a bit wet inside, but just flicked up. Managed to land this guy pretty quickly. Oh, bruh.